On today's video, we're going to skin a door on a Hyundai, what is this, Elantra? I start off by removing the whole door assembly and putting it on a bumper stand. It's got four 12mm bolts holding on to the door. And it's got a door catch, but I removed that previously so it didn't get caught on video. And also the wiring got disconnected before I removed the door.
Lightweight.
Then up on the stand it goes. Once I do that, I get my grinder and I begin grinding all of the edges. Well, first of all, I strip the door down like to its shell, so I wouldn't damage any of the compartments inside. Then I begin grinding everything down. I remove the weather strip, the speaker, the latch, everything. And then I begin grinding down. This is pretty much the whole process here. You're just going to grind all around the edges of the door. And once it comes off, literally that's how the skin comes off. There's nothing really to it. Just a little bit of patience. Once I did the back side, I go ahead and go to the side. Once I finish this side, I switch to the other side. And just repeat the process from there. Just keep grinding it down. You get like this little nice streak in the middle where you can see where the skin actually detaches from the door panel. It's the door itself. It's just like this white line that it's in the middle. I don't know if you guys can catch it on video, but you're gonna see what I mean later on. And literally, if you skin it like how it's supposed to be skinned, it's literally gonna come off on its own. You don't have to do any forcing or anything like that. It just comes off. You might pry it a little bit with like a screwdriver or something, but it just peels like a banana afterwards. Just comes out all the way around. After I did that, I got my smaller grinder and I grind it where the belt weather strip goes, belt molding. And this is where you're going to see clearly. It actually detached already from the skin itself, and then you're going to see how it just falls out on its own. It's just going to come off on its own. No prying, no forcing, no nothing. It just falls off. Once I do that, I grinded down the spot welds that were on the skin. And that's pretty much it. After that, it was just prying it apart, busting it apart with my seam sealer, removing the glue that's around the edges, and the skin just comes off on its own. I actually masked the blackout tape so I could reuse it when I put the other skin on, but I don't know when I come to weld these if it's going to hold on or not. So we'll see. This is just the door skin removal. I'll probably do a different video on installing the door skin. I'm not too sure. I just wanted to get this up for you guys. I don't know. I'll think about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below if I should put the installation video or not. But now I'm just separating my panels apart. Separating my door skin from the door shell itself. And that's it. Nothing to it. Nothing crazy. I've seen other people like heat around the edges and get the glue off like that, but I mean, you can do it however you want. Either way, it's coming off regardless. So it's all up to it's all up to your preference. But this is how I do it and how I was taught, and I mean, it's effective. This stubborn spot weld that doesn't want to come off. Switch to the other side. Split the shell and the skin from here. And just comes off. Some prying apart, some wiggling around, and that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys want to see the second part of this, which is the installation of the skin itself. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said already, rate, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys around for more.